Your typical Tableau server that consists of one node is really simple. Well, no, it's a complex thing in in its architecture, but it's just one VM that we have here, and it contains all kinds of processes. There's so many, I won't even talk about all of them, but there are FISQL processes that are the ones that generate your visuals and dashboards. There are backgrounders for refreshing data for those dashboards, cache servers for caching and more fast loading when possible, a repository to store your metadata, file store to store extracts, licensing, etc. So in a single node deployment that's all very simple, everything runs on that one machine. You have to expect occasional downtime if there's a problem with that machine and if it's unreachable, or if you need to restart it for maintenance or whatever, there's going to be downtime. And typically you see this in an earlier phase when Tableau gets adopted in a company or for a test environment. But then getting back to that, 4x16 score, you can also distribute your installation, put it on more than one